Hi there, today I'm going to answer one of your most pressing twin parenting questions. So Amanda asks, how do I make sure both the twins feel loved and are getting what they need? Now, as twin parents, that's one thing we struggle with a lot is how do we attend to both children, the individual needs of both, make sure we're giving them equal time, equal attention. That's something that's a constant struggle. Now, when they're very young, when they're infants, a simple play is that you take turns with your partner. You take baby A and your partner takes baby B, and then you rotate. So maybe it's feeding time and you're each taking turns feeding one of the other twins. And so that way you get some bonding moments and some one-on-one attention with that twin. Or maybe it's during the day when you're changing diapers or interacting with them or playing with them. You can kind of rotate that one-on-one time. Now, as your twins get older, it's really fun to be able to do one-on-one activities with each of them. So just last night, I had a daddy-daughter date with my daughter, and she wanted to go out and do something fun. So we went out, we got a treat, we did a little scavenger hunt. Now the whole one-on-one daddy-daughter date, it was a school night, so it was a short, we had an hour and a half together. The focus isn't on how much time you're spending. It's really what you're doing, that you're doing something that they're interested in and that they're having fun with and that they'll remember. And as the older your twins get, the easier it is for you to simply ask them, hey, what would you like to do? What are you interested in? And then focus on making sure you recognize that each of them is different and you want to focus on an activity or something that would be fun for that individual twin, not necessarily always grouping them together. One thing that you can do is make sure you avoid plural speak, which is when you say y'all or you the twins or hey girls. If you focus instead on each child by name, it helps you focus on their individual personalities, emotions, their interests, their hobbies, things that they're going to want to do. And then that helps you make sure that they're feeling individually loved and are getting what they need. Now, if we roll back the clock a little bit to when they're newborns, they have individual physical needs, right? They're trying to get food, diaper changes, sleep. If you keep track of that in a journal, it'll make things a lot easier because you're going to forget which baby ate, what time, how much each baby ate. And so if you're tracking that methodically in a little journal or notepad, it's going to go a lot easier. And as they get older, focus on spending one-on-one time with them, scheduling that ahead of time if you've got a busy schedule, trading off with your partner to make sure that's possible. Maybe one of you stays home and watches the other kids, or you take one of the twins or one of the kids out for a good time. Again, my name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com and author of 2 books, Dad's Guide to Twins and Dad's Guide to Raising Twins, that'll help you all along your twin journey from expecting twins to raising them and beyond. If you'd like more helpful tips and tricks on preparing for and raising your twins, go ahead and check out some of these other videos that'll guide you along your twin journey. And subscribe to the channel to make sure you get new videos as they come out to help you along your twin path. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.